welcome back to our channel. So in today's session we'll discuss about the different types of hacking. So in our previous sessions we have discussed about the hacking and ethical hacking. So we have discussed that hacking means getting the unauthorized access and ethical hacking means legally getting the unauthorized access. It's called ethical hacking. Now we'll see different types of hacking. So coming to the first one, it's a computer hacking. Computer hacking. So computer hacking means gaining unauthorized access, by getting user ID and passwords. So by stealing this user ID and password, gaining the access of a computer will comes under this computer hacking, right? So for every computer, so we'll give some access. That means we'll give some accounts, user accounts. So the hacker will get those user IDs and passwords, and by using them, he or she will gain the access of a computer. And the second one, network hacking. So here the name itself indicates accessing the network. That means they will collect the information about the network. So here, in order to collect the information information about the network, they'll use a different tools. There will be different tools available, right? So here hacking means the first one, gathering information about network. So how this information will be gathered means they will use tools, different tools like Nmap, NetSat, Telnet, etc. There are a lot of tools available to gather the information. So once the information is gathered from the network, automatically the hacker will gain the access of a computer. So that type of hacking we call it as a network hacking. So gathering the information about the network by using a lot of tools. Next one, password hacking. Password hacking means, so unauthorized access, that means finding the passwords. Simply we can say it as a recovering the passwords, right? So here the hacker will recover the passwords. Recovering the passwords, and this will be done from the data stored in our computer. So they will recover the passwords. That means they will find out the forgotten passwords, right? So that process we call it as a password hacking. Password hacking, right? Next, email hacking. Email hacking. So email hacking means gaining the access of email accounts, right? So gaining the access of email accounts. So without interfering with the owner of the email, right? So gaining the access of email accounts comes under this email hacking. And the next one, website hacking. website hacking. So here gaining the access of all the web services. That means here coming to the gaining access of web servers, because in the servers itself we are maintaining the web pages, and similarly backend will also maintain some database in the web server. So databases and other relevant interfaces, any other related interfaces, the gaining the access of those things also comes under this website hacking. And other interfaces. So all these are unauthorized access. Okay, so here we are talking about the gaining the access, that means unauthorizedly, right? So this is called a website hacking. So whatever the related to the website, that means the servers, databases and any other related interfaces will be gained by the hacker. It's known as a website hacking. And finally, ethical hacking. Ethical hacking, we already discussed about this ethical hacking. So gaining the access without getting the permission of the, with the permission of the institution or organizational head, that we call it as a legal, right? So that's why we call it as a ethical hacking. So gaining, or simply we can say unauthorized access, with permission from institutional or organizational head, right? So that we call it as a ethical hacking. So this already we have discussed in the introductory part, right? So these are the different types of hackings available. Okay, so the computer hacking, network hacking, and password hacking, email hacking, website hacking, and ethical hacking, right? So hope you understood this session. So types of hacking. So if you are having any doubts regarding this one, please feel free to post your doubts in the comment section. Definitely I will try to clarify all your doubts. And if you really enjoyed my session, like my session, share my session with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.